Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I ran to my local library as I do several times a week, and I picked up Martina's Kitchen Mix, my recipe playlist for real life by Martina McBride, a country music singer and a songwriter. I'm not a country music listener, but I'm excited to see what she's cooking in this beautiful kitchen. Wow. Let's check it out. It came out in 2019, and we're off to a good start with beautiful photos. Oxmoor House is the publisher. And let's check out the table of contents. Introduction, of course, breakfast and brunch, cocktails and appetizers. I love that she front loads the book with that. Salads, soups and sandwiches, main courses, side dishes, desserts, basics, Martina's menu mix. I'm thinking that's music. And metric equivalents. Thank you. Here's the introduction. She says, over the years, I've noticed how much cooking and singing have in common. When I make something delicious, I want to share it, which is a lot like sharing my music with an audience. That's nice. She has a kitchen prayer. Cast of characters. She's going to talk about her family a lot in this book. John is her husband of 30 years. Delaney, daughter number 1. Emma, daughter number 2. Ava, daughter number 3. Okay. We are in... breakfast. We're in the breakfast chapter, and she says, though it's been touted as the most important meal of the day, I will admit that I don't eat breakfast every day. Sometimes that's all I can do to get myself out the door in the morning, let alone make a big breakfast. That's why she's included recipes in the chapter that you can make a day ahead and eat through the week. So the first recipe of the book, cherry orange almond granola. Nice photo. Avocado toast, of course, with corn and tomato salsa. Ooh, springtime or anytime quiche. I love quiche, and my boyfriend doesn't. So I make it for myself. Ha! And I don't share it. Cheddar biscuits with bacon. I'm loving that so far every recipe has a photo. Hash brown breakfast casserole with tomato gravy. I'm not sure tomato gravy is something I would ever think I would want to make, but I love tomatoes. And you make it out of cans of petite diced tomatoes undrained. Okay, I'm up for that. And heavy cream. Okay, that sounded good. Quick rice with milk, cinnamon, and sugar. Ooh, fried cornmeal mush. Yum. So I'm guessing she's Southern. I didn't peek that close into it. Grandma's cinnamon rolls. But this definitely seems like Southern style cooking, and not all country singers are from the South, so I wasn't sure. Now we're in the cocktails and appetizers chapter, which I wouldn't have known because there's not a lot of... Oh, that's the chapter. Okay. Oh, and it says right there. I didn't notice that. Okay, that wasn't immediately obvious to me. Okay. Cocktail hour at home is not as common now as it was in the 50s. Well, it is at my house, but she says it seems special and luxurious. I say we bring it back. I agree with you, Martina McBride. Blackberry lemon gin and tonic. Whipped feta crostini with roasted garlic, tomatoes, and herbs. But no picture. Grilled sweet peppers with goat cheese and herbs. Gorgeous photo. Flavia's deviled eggs. John's mom is Flavia. Vodka limeade cooler. Avocado, cucumber, red pepper salsa. John's spicy sausage cheese dip. Grapefruit cocktails 3 ways. Oh, nice. And I have some grapefruit juice in the house right now, actually. Sparkling grapefruit mimosa cocktails for a crowd. That might have needed to be in the breakfast chapter. Grapefruit margaritas. Yes. John's bacon-wrapped olives. And she says, don't knock it till you try it. Okay. Signature rum punch. Marinated goat cheese with lemon and herbs. That sounds amazing. Shrimp and chorizo with Latin flavors. And there she is. This is a gorgeous cookbook. A Negroni recipe. I'm trying to like Negronis. Eggplant and goat cheese stacks with tarragon tomato sauce. Maybe that's what I'll use one of my eggplants for that I have in the fridge. Oh, baked olive cheese dip. How amazing does that look? That might be the first thing I make out of this cookbook, actually. So in my house, we definitely do cocktail hour or happy hour. Around 4, I pour myself a drink, I put on some music, I start getting dinner ready-ish. We don't want to eat super early like old people, but we do. And my boyfriend comes home about 5, and he comes home to a beer for him, cocktail for me, music on, and a fire in the fireplace because it's winter. Here's a hot tea with lemonade, bourbon, cinnamon, and orange, and Irish coffee. Now we're in the next chapter, as I've learned how to realize that. This is the salads chapter. Okay. She writes that the salads she remembers having at dinner when she was a kid were made up of iceberg lettuce with bottled French, ranch, or blue cheese dressing. That sounds exactly like my childhood too. Watermelon, cucumber, and tomato salad with feta and fresh herbs. And I don't see any iceberg lettuce. Yay! No offense, iceberg lettuce. Broccoli and cauliflower salad. Hey, I have a cauliflower in the house right now. Romaine salad with pear, smoked blue cheese, and candied pecans. Boston lettuce simple salad. I love Boston lettuce. That's actually my favorite. Thai slaw with peanut dressing. Don't knock it till you try it. A fluff salad. It involves a jar of pimento cheese and a can of pineapple tidbits. And marshmallows. And frozen whipped topping. I'm out. I'm sorry. Nope. Shredded Brussels sprout salad with maple balsamic vinaigrette. Sounds amazing. Kale Caesar salad with quinoa and chicken, roasted beet, goat cheese, and walnut salad. I love that a lot of the recipes in here are vegetarian friendly. Soups and sandwiches. We'll see if that continues into this chapter. Soup is one of her favorite things to make. And she calls it close to the perfect food. Ooh, a cream of tomato soup recipe. I do need to stop being so lazy and just buying Trader Joe's tomato soup. I doctor it up though, and I bet you do too if you buy Trader Joe's tomato soup. Very green broccoli soup. I like broccoli soup, and when you buy it at the store, it's always broccoli cheddar, and it's full of all this cream, so this could be a good alternative to be a little healthier. And it looks like it, yeah. Yeah, a little bit of cream or buttermilk, that's fine. Quick and easy white bean and baby green stew. Yum. Perfect for winter. Creamy chicken tortilla soup. Lasagna soup. Cream of chicken and wild rice soup. Yum. Blackberry bacon grilled cheese. That looks like a Widowmaker. That's awesome. That looks delicious, even though I don't like bacon. A BLTA chicken salad. Chicken panini with southwestern pesto. I need to get my panini maker out of storage. Spicy shrimp po' boys. Now we're on the main courses. Now we'll see if there's any vegetarian options in here. Okay, she says she believes that food is more than just sustenance. Through sight, taste, and aroma, it can transport you right back to another place and time associated to the memories. Risotto with asparagus, peas, and basil. See, here's a vegetarian right off the bat. And Julia Child's eggplant pizza. Vegetarian, yay, thank you. Chicken and potatoes with roasted lemon and rosemary sauce. This is my boyfriend's favorite meal, so I'm going to check out her take on it, her ingredients, and her steps. Cheese tortellini with gorgonzola cream sauce and toasted walnuts. And those of you who have vegetarian girlfriends but you're a meat eater, I cook meat for my boyfriend. I know. It's hard though because meat is really gross to me. Garlic roasted cabbage steaks with eggplant tomato sauce. Hey, there's a lot of vegetarian options here. A recipe that doesn't have a picture. Sad face. And I like that. Sometimes down here she has ad lib. A way that you can serve the dish different ways or put different ingredients. That's really nice. Or little helpful tips. That's awesome. Chili lime chicken tacos. Slow cooker chicken tikka masala. We're all using our slow cookers right now, right? Because it's winter. Yay, wine. Cute. I love it too. Pot roast with gravy. If I had the guts to cook beef, I would definitely try this recipe for my boyfriend. I might have to have him help me because that's a lot of meat. Pan roasted halibut. Beef is really intimidating to me, whereas chicken is not. Blackened fish taco bowls. And I don't make fish because I can't handle the smell. But if you like salmon, I bet this picture is making your mouth water. Slow roasted garlic Dijon salmon. Grilled shrimp tacos. Now we're in the side dishes. Ooh, I can't wait to see what she came up with for those. Ooh, roasted asparagus with lemon, parmesan, and garlic. Yep. Smashed new potatoes with lemon. Yum. Vegetarian sides. Green beans with goat cheese and warm bacon dressing. So you could totally use this book for a Thanksgiving cookbook. Roasted summer veggies with herbs. Spicy roasted fall veggies with herbs. Oh, I love that there's an option for both. Sauteed spinach. I need to cook with spinach more often, and it's so easy to keep some in the freezer. Sauteed kale with Parmesan and toasted walnuts. But remember back the first time you ever cook spinach, how much it cooks down, and you start off with this mound and you end up and you're like, what happened? Quick collard greens, Hoppin' John, cilantro lime and black bean rice. Yum. Creamy garlic pasta with Parmesan cheese. I'm loving everything she came up with. Did we suddenly jump into desserts? Because here's pumpkin cornbread with cinnamon honey butter. Oh, now we're in desserts. I'll just show you a couple examples because I can't show you the whole book. County Fair orange cake. Looks amazing. Banana cake with cream cheese frosting. And don't knock it till you try it, a banana mayo thing. Biscotti Trio pistachio lemon drop cookies. Oh, fun. No bake peanut butter chocolate cookies when you don't have time to bake. Peanut butter chocolate chip oatmeal cookies for when you do have time to bake. Some more chocolate chip cookies, and then we get to the basics, such as grilled pineapple salsa, avocado crema, etc. This is awesome. I didn't expect to be this impressed. I mean, it looked like a good cookbook. I took it off the library shelf, was like, oh, okay. Now that I've looked through it, I love it. I can't wait to get in the kitchen and start cooking several of these. Wow, I'm so glad I just went grocery shopping. Ha! And it seems like I already have all the ingredients I'm going to need for the dishes I want to cook. I hope you enjoyed this cookbook look through. Be sure to click like, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. You can see more of our cookbook reviews here on YouTube at the Cookbook Divas channel. We also have a blog, cookbookdivas.com. We post Facebook and Instagram cookbook news, etc. And you will not find us on Twitter or Pinterest because we're way too busy, because we also have a podcast, the Cookbook Divas podcast. Thanks for watching.